Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Sydney, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a bathroom closet decluttering video. And I had purchased some bins at TJ Maxx about 4 or 5 months ago and actually organized it. So honestly, it wasn't as bad as it was the first time. I think these bins helped out a lot in keeping it a little neater. So I hope you guys stay tuned and see the finished results. Also, I almost forgot, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I post motherhood videos, cleaning, lifestyle, decluttering, and all sorts of content. So yeah, subscribe if you guys are interested and turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss any videos. And I hope this gives you some inspiration to tackle those messes and declutter your homes. Alright, so to start off, I'm just taking all of the items out and placing them on the floor, and just so I can see everything that's in the closet. And I'm going to be determining what I'm keeping and what I'm throwing away. Just items that I'm not using anymore or reaching for, I'm going to just toss those and just keep the things that I know I will use. Alright guys, so this is everything that was in the closet, all laid out on the floor, and it looks like a lot more now that it's literally on the floor. So yeah, I'm just going to be separating everything and placing it in its proper area. Like this Christmas wrapping paper needs to be put up, and I'm gonna be grouping similar items in their proper bins, and also taking out things I don't use anymore or reach for that's just taking up space. So how often do you guys declutter certain areas in your home? I have noticed that I've been doing this maybe at the end of every season. I start decluttering certain items like clothes, toys, especially with toddlers. It can get really cluttery. So I've started to do that. Cluttery, I don't know if that's a word. But anyways, let me know down below if you do this at the end of every season or every month. Yeah. Guys, so now that I'm done decluttering all of the items we weren't using, I'm gonna start organizing them and putting them in their proper place. So this is the finished, decluttered, and organized bathroom closet. I do have a little tray and bin where I put some of the tools we had up here, since we do have 2-story apartments, just to have a specific area for them up here. And then the top row, I didn't change anything at all. And these 3 little bins, I have my husband's deodorants on the left, some hand soap, and our diffuser in that one. I have some hair products, hairbrushes, and some makeup items in the right one. And this middle one, I had some of my items as well, deodorants, hair ties, and some other necessities as well. And then the bottom row, I had some towels. I did have to do laundry, so we don't have a lot right now. Some body wash, lotions in that big bin. And then down there, I had some of our toilet paper and cleaning supplies. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and if this gave you some inspiration at all. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.